Good morning students. So today we will start a new exercise 10.3. 10.3 is based on area. That the first question is area of the rectangle whose the side is a first question is 3 and 4 and second is a 12 meter and 21 centimeter, third is a 2 kilometer and third kilometer, and D question is 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So they will start the first solution. Before the first solution you write the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, and then we solve the first question. Is area will be, write the capital A is equal to L into B. L into B, and two sides are given 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. The 4 is greater than 3. It's mean the 4 centimeter is a length always greater than breadth. That will be 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 3 4 12 square centimeter. Okay, the area is a 12 centimeter. Now second is a 12 meter and 21 meter. So we write the area is equal to length into breadth, and 12 and 21, they will 21 say 21 meter because 21 is greater than 12. So that 21 is a length into 12 meter. Okay, now multiply the 21 into 12. 12 1 is 12, 1 carry, 12 2 is 24, that is 25. So that answer is 252 square. Here will be unit is a meter, the square meter. Okay, now we third is area is equal to length into breadth. Here is a length 3 kilometer because length is always greater than breadth. So that 3 kilometer into 2 kilometer is equal to 6 square kilometer. Okay, now fourth question is write the A is equal to L into B. In fourth question that we given 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Okay, so find the area. Before the you have change the unit are same, both are unit are same. Okay, here is a meter, here is a centimeter. So don't direct the multiplication. First will be change the unit. A change the unit will be, here is a change the centimeter. Yeah, second option is a centimeter to change meter. Any one will be changed because 2 meter and multiply 70. That's you write suppose 2 into 70. 2 meter into 70 centimeter. It is wrong because 1 meter and second unit is a centimeter. So centimeter both unit are same. So first will be change is 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So there is 200 centimeter. Okay, next will be A is equal to length. Here is a 2 meter is a length. They will write 200 meter centimeter into 70 centimeter. Okay, and both are unit are same, centimeter to centimeter. You multiply 7 to the 14 and 30, that is square centimeter. The second question number second, then find the area of the square whose the side is given that 3 question. First square side is 10 centimeter, second is a 14 and third is a 5 centimeter. You now understand that is square is a all sides are equals. Okay, all side are equal. Okay, means their side equal to this and all sides are equal. Is this then the given the only one side length of one side is given, only you find the area. So here we write the area of square is, write the capital A, and here will be side into side, side into side. The area of the square is a side into side. The first question will be right is a 10 centimeter. So you write the area is equal to side into side is this 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, and 10 multiply is a 100 square centimeter. Area, unit of area always square form, that is A. And second question, if you again write the area is equal to side into side, side into side. Here is given the value of 14 centimeter. You write the 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. 14 into 14, you have multiply 14 into 14 is 14 into 14. Okay, 4 4 is 16, 1, 4 1 is 1 and 5, and 1 time to 14, 6, 9, 1. That is the 196. So you have write the answer is 196 square centimeter. Okay, now here is the third question. This third is given the 5 meter. Again you write the area is equal to side into side, that 5 meter into 5 meter, 5 5 is 25 and square meter. Question number 3. Question number 3 is the length and breadth of the three rectangles are given below. There are 3 rectangles, first, second and third, and ask the question which one has the largest area and which one has a smallest. To find the area of 3 rectangles. Okay, that we first will be right. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. This is the common formula you have write one time, not write the another time. Okay, now that first is A. I write the A1. A1 is a area of first triangle. So that A1 is L into B. Here will be 9 meter into 6 meter, and table of 9 is 6 times is 54 square meter. Okay, now find second area. That write the B is A2 is the length of 17 meter. A2 is a L into B. You write the 17 meter into 3 meter. This is the second question. And 7 3 is a 21, 2 carry, 3 1 is 3 and 5 is square meter. Okay, now C is the area of A3 is equal to L into B. The length is 4 meter into 14 meter, and 4 multiply 14, 4 4 is 16, and that 56 square meter. Okay, so the first area is 54, second is a 51, and third is a 56. So that is the first, the largest area is A1, no, A3 is 56 square meter is a third. Okay, and the smallest is 51. So that the smallest area is A2 is 51 square meter is a second triangle. Question number 4. The area of the rectangle garden 50 meter long is the 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. Okay, in this question you find the width. This is that width. Now you write the area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so is given that length and breadth are given, you find the area. Suppose you find the area is equal upon length is breadth, and area upon B is equal to L. These three formulas will be used the any types of question are solved. Okay, so this question, this exercise, this question will be used the find the breadth, means that you find the second number. Okay, now the area of rectangle is given that 300 square meter. Okay, and length is 30 meter, and find the breadth will be find is the denoted by B. So you write the B is equal to area upon length. Area upon length is area is 300, breadth is 50 meter. You cut 0 0 cancel, 5 1 is 1, 5 6 is 30. The answer is 6. That the breadth B is equal to 6 meter. Okay, their unit is a meter, then simple meter. So that you write breadth of the garden is 6 meter. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, what is the cost of tilling the rectangular plot of the land 500 meter long and 200 meter breadth, all the rate of the at the rate of 108 rupees and 100 square meter. It's mean a rectangle park, okay, and the 500 meter long and 200 meter breadth, and you filling in this inside the part, okay, that the rate of filling is 8 rupees per 100 square meter. Okay, it means first you find the area of the rectangle. So you write area of the rectangular plot is equal to, simple area of the rectangle is length into breadth. The length is given that 500 meter and 200 meter, that to multiply by is 10,000 square meter. Okay, now the area is equal to this is the area of the tilling. You have rate of 8%, 8 rupees 100 square meter. According ATQ, the cost of trailing is 100 square meter is equal to 8 rate of 8 rupees. Okay, 100 square meter is rate of 8 rupees. 1 square meter is equal to rate is 8 upon 100. The total area you have filling is 10,000. 1 lakh square meter is equal to rate is 8 upon 100 into 1 lakh. 20 cancel. After multiplication, 8, the rate of 8,000 means the answer is the cost is rupees of 8,000. Number 6, the tabletop measuring a 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter, and the question is, what is the area in square meter. It's mean you find the area in the unit of square meter. So that it's a 2 meter and 1 meter 50 centimeter. So that the two different length. It's mean the tabletop is a form of rectangle. So that write the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, and is L is 2 meter and B is for breadth 1 meter 50 centimeter. So change into meter. Okay, change into meter is 50 centimeter upon 100 is equal to 0.50 meter. So they write the 1 meter 50 meter. Okay, so their breadth is 1.50 meter. Then the area is equal to 2 meter into 1.50 meter is equal to, after multiplication, is 1.50 multiply 3 is 0.51, that 4 is point, it's meant 4.50 square meter, because both unit is a meter. So the answer is 4.50 meter. Question number 7. Question number 7. A room is a 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter width. How many square meter of the carpet is a need to cover the floor of the room? It's mean the room size is given is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter is a breadth, and you have used spread the need the carpet is covered by the carpet. How find the area is how many square meter will be need of the carpet in cover the floor of the room. Okay, it's mean you find the area. Now we area of room. Area of room means the area of carpet is need to cover the floor of room is area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Okay, the area of carpet of the need to the cover the floor of the room is equal to area of the rectangle. Okay, that length into breadth. Here is the length is a 4 meter and breadth is a 3 meter 50 centimeter. So you write 4 meter and change the centimeter in the meter, that into 3.50 meter and multiply 3.50 multiply 4 0 in 4 5 is 20 to carry 12 and 14. It's mean they will 14 square meter of the area of the carpet you cover the room. Question number 8. A floor is a 5 meter long and 4 meter breadth. In the one is floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter breadth. Okay, a square carpet of the side is 3 meter. एक स्क्वायर कारपेट है. ओके, the side is 3 meter. Okay, so it is led to the floor. Find the area of the not complete. Suppose will be 3 centimeter, that the one is 3 centimeter. There is a carpet. So how many required? They are not carpet the area. Okay, so you have find the area of the room and subtract the area of the carpet. So first you find then area of floor. Okay, it means this is the form of rectangle. That area of floor is length into breadth. Length into breadth is long is 5 meter into breadth is 4 meter is equal to 20 square meter. Okay, and second is a square carpet of the side. So you write the area of carpet. Area of the carpet is the form of square. It means they will side into side. Side into side is the side is given that 3 meter. 3 meter into 3 meter is equal to 9 square meter. Okay, the area of the room, area of the floor is 20 square meter and area of the carpet is 9 square meter. And after the flowing, that the flowing is the not carpet, so the area of not carpeted is equal to area of floor minus area of carpet. Okay, so then 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 square meter, means is question number 9. Question number 9 is asked to 5 square of the flower bed, each of the side is 1 meter, are the drag on the pieces of the land is 5 meter and 4 meter breadth, and what is the area of the remaining plot of the land. Okay, means is the one is area is 5 meter long and 4 meter long. Okay, and 1 meter this 5 tiles, and how many remaining part in this is the part are find. That the area of the rectangle minus area of the square. So first you find that area of the land is a rectangle form. You write in the bracket in rectangle is length into breadth, that 5 meter into breadth is 4 meter. 5 is 4 is 20 square meter. This is the area of the land. Okay, now and second is find the area of flower beds. Okay, is the shape of square. In write the square in the bracket is into side side. Okay, that the side is how many meter? 1 meter. Then 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 1 square meter. Okay, and total number of square is 5. Then the area of 5, okay, flower beds is 5 into area of 1, that is square meter, and 5 square meter. Okay, now we write remaining area. You find the remaining area, remaining part of the remaining part is equal to area of land minus area of the flower bed. So that is 20 square meter minus 5 square meter. That is the only 15 square meter is a remaining plot. Question number 12. Question number 10 and 11 are not solved. We have direct solved the question number 12. Okay, now question number 12, how many tiles with the length is breadth is 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be need of the fit in the rectangle region whose length and breadth is a respectively. Then there is two question. The question is asked, then the one land is 1100 centimeter and 144 centimeter is a one land, and you are covered by the tiles that 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So how many tiles will be required the this area and how many tiles will be required to this area? So first you find the area of the given region. Okay, now area of region is a rectangle form. You write the bracket in rectangle form is L into B. Okay, so first will be 100 centimeter into 144 centimeter. Okay, you will write is 14400 means 14,400 square meter. Okay, now area of the tile, area of the tiles is, because it is a rectangle, you write the in the bracket is a rectangle is length into breadth is a length is 12 centimeter and breadth is a 5 centimeter is equal to 12 5 just 60 square centimeter is a centimeter. Okay, now here number of tiles is equal to area of region and area of one tiles. Okay, first you find the area of the region and second you find the area of the tiles, and area of number of tiles is area divisible by area is a 14,400 and upon 60, 0 to 0 cancel is 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 and 6 to the 12 is 24, 6 4 the and 2, so that is 240 tiles. Okay, 240 tiles will be need cover the area of 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. Okay, now the part of second here something is only change. Okay, part of second, first you find the area of the rectangle shape is length into breadth. Here is the length is a 70 centimeter into 36 centimeter. Now multiply 70 and 30, the 30 and 70 multiply, first will be put the 0 and 42 4 and 25. So that the area is a 2520 square centimeter. And next will be find area of the tiles, the same because the area of the tiles are same is 12 into 5 is 60 square centimeter, and number of tiles is the area of the region. Here is the area is a change because the first is the area, then 100 multiply 144 and second area is a 70 multiply 36. So you have write 2520 upon 60, again cut 0. Okay, now table of 6 you read is 6 4 is 24 and 1 6 2 is 12, so that the 42 tiles will be required of the area of second question. Peace.